Hello everyone and welcome to BCC Art Studio. Today I am going to attempt to make a belt that is a decoration belt that goes around your midsection, like over a shirt or something. So I made this bracelet and I'm like, oh, that would be so cool as a belt. So I'm going to try to attempt to do a belt. This is all experimental. I don't know if I'm going to be using gems like these or not, but we're going to get into it. So let's get started. So I have this piece of leather here. It is 3 inches wide by 28 inches long. I went ahead and I drew my center line. And I also have my pattern that I made. And we will get into tracing our pattern. But first, I need to wet down my leather. So I'm going to wet down my leather with some water. So we're going to line up our pattern with the center of our belt. And it doesn't matter how straight this belt is right now because this will all be cut out around it. We'll see how it goes when we get to that point. But now I'm just going to trace out the pattern. Alright, I'm going to put a little notch there and a little notch there to see if I can't line this up somehow, because this is the size of my pattern because it was a bracelet pattern, not a belt pattern. And we will see what I can do with that. Alright, I think I got it lined up. We will see. I gotta put my head in here for a minute. Let's see if I got you in the camera. Alright, we're just going to trace that out as well. And hopefully, oh, look at that. I'm going to have to add something there between the two loops to connect it. All right, and then I got to do the other end. So here's our pattern. And you can see I added like circles to those spots. So next thing we have to do is we have to cut this out. I have it all cut out. A little bit of a mistake right there. It is time to bevel. Okay, so it is time to start cutting this out. So I'm going to be cutting around the edges. And I'm going to show you a little bit about it, or a little bit of it, and then I'm going to do the gist of it off camera. So it's all cut out. I went ahead and I sanded the edges, some of the rough spots off. That'll get cleaned up more later. I taped off the back because we need to do background on these, but before I do that, I need to put something on these wide spaces on the ends. The middle is going to get a jewel. The ends will get a smaller jewel, but I need to fill in some of that space. So I decided I'm going to use these little guys here. And I'm going to put it in the middle. It's going to end up in the middle somehow. But I need to fill in some of that. So I'm going to grab my ruler here and I'm going to try to measure out the center. I'm trying to keep you in the camera here. So I'm going to go from edge to edge and try to figure out where the center is. And I think that's pretty close for that center. I'll do the same thing here. Okay. Now I'm going to draw in these little circles. Now I'm going to use this to trace a circle around, and then I'm going to put a bigger circle in there. So, but I'm going to do that off camera so I can line it up perfectly. So I will be back. So I have my circles in there. And now I need to wet down my leather and cut those out. So my circles are all cut out and beveled. As you will notice that on these edges, I beveled both edges because I want these edges here to be rounded as well. This is all going to be background here, and this will be background, but I want these all to be rounded on both edges. So we're going to start doing the background.